This video is brought to you by Cable Car Philippines.
Cable car, an aerial ropeway transportation system from Marikina to Ortigas. Traffic congestion is one of the major problems experienced by the people of the Philippines, particularly in Metro Manila. It is often caused by the increase in number of vehicles, inadequacy of mass transit options, and crowding of areas. Assessing the roads in Metro Manila that currently experience traffic congestion, the group has decided that the project location should be in the Marikina to Ortigas route.
The endpoints of the aerial rope transport system will be built from the LRT2 Santolan Station in Marikina City all the way to the Ortigas Business District in Pasig City.
The objectives of the implementation of cable car here in the Philippines are the following. First, to decrease traffic congestion. Second, to provide a new mass transit option. And third, to introduce a transport system that only requires minimal area.
The group has enumerated the possible cable car types present in the market.
4 types of cable cars. The reversible aerial tramway, with a capacity of 6 up to 200 people at a time, with a speed of 12 meters per second. The estimated cost for this is 507.4 million to 1.5 billion pesos per kilometer. Monocable gondola detachable, with a capacity of 4 to 15 people per cabin, with a speed of 6 meters per second. The estimated cost for this is 253.7 million pesos to 1 billion pesos per kilometer. Bicable gondola detachable, it can accommodate between 8 and 17 passengers, with a speed of 7 to 7.5 meters per second. The estimated cost for this is 761.1 million pesos to 1.2 billion pesos per kilometer. Tri-cable gondola detachable, it can accommodate 35 passengers each cabin, with a speed of 7.5 meters per second. The estimated cost is 507.4 million pesos to 1.2 billion pesos per kilometer. We believe that the tri-cable gondola detachable is the best type of aerial cable car to be used in Marikina to Ortigas route because of the following. It has 2 carrying ropes and a pulling rope, which makes it safe to operate and wind stable. Economic or less expensive than other alternatives. Able to transport large number of passengers due to its travel speed.
The stations and position of supports will start from the LRT2 Santolan Station to Eastwood Mall, Jenny's Overpass in Rosario, the Medical City in Ortigas, and finishing off at Ortigas Business District.
The advantages of implementing cable car system in Marikina to Ortigas route are the following. It eases traffic congestion. It is beneficial to flood-prone areas. And it has lesser construction time compared to other mass transit systems.
Estimated cost. These are the cost estimates that we have computed. keep in mind that these are just approximate numbers. First, the construction costs. These are the necessary and desirable expenses pertaining to the project's initial construction. These include the equipment and materials such as steel and concrete that are to be used by the contractors. Also, the design, construction, and other civil works are computed in this section. Labor costs. Next, we shall tackle the cost of labor and the employees' salaries. The labor costs are the total wages paid to the employees, such as the construction workers and heavy equipment operators. Managers' estimated salaries are also included in the labor costs. Maintenance costs. Included in this section are the costs for the operation of the cable cars. These include the personnel that are assigned to each cable car and its stations. This also covers power consumption, the management, repairs, and overall operating system of the functioning cable car. All in all, the total cost of the initial construction phase was calculated to be roughly 12 billion Philippine pesos. On the other hand, the estimated operational cost is 38 million pesos annually.
Based on the aforementioned sections, the group concludes that the proposed mass transit system in the form of cable cars is feasible in the Marikina to Ortigas route. The estimated initial and operational cost can be funded by the government budget or sponsorships from other private sectors. The group believes that the advantages outweighs the setbacks. Once the project is implemented, the operation and management will be similar to MRT and LRT systems. The operational hours will be at 4:30 a.m. to 10 p.m. in Philippine time. It will be government-owned, and it will require a transporting fee of 15 to 20 pesos with 20% discount to students, senior citizens, and persons with disabilities.